Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. We are doing a skincare, makeup, little bit of a hair care haul after the longest possible time. I have not shopped for new things in a very long time. I did like a I don't know, एक stock up रहता है ना जो products आप use करते हो खत्म हो जाते हैं. So I've done that in the past and I share it on my Instagram if you want to see like more tinier hauls or those things, so you can follow me there. Just a heads up. Baki, finally, I think I mentioned it in my last video as well, कि I have been following a particular skincare routine and I've been using these particular makeup products for a long time, and it was time for change because I had pretty much emptied everything that I had, and I thought that it was time that I tried a new routine. So I have purchased a couple of products that I'm super excited to share with you guys. If you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get to the hair products that I have. I only have 3 hair products, and I was not really interested in buying too many hair products because I'm using things that are working for me, and a couple of things I wanted to try on for longer and like finally give you guys a review. But I ran out of my shampoo. I had been using the L'Oreal shampoo and the GK conditioner for the longest time, and दोनों खत्म हो गए. So I thought now is a good time to switch up my shampoo, especially because monsoon है, hair fall हो रहा था, dandruff वगैरह. So I got the onion shampoo and conditioner from Mamaearth, and I have been hearing multiple things about this product. Mamaearth reviews and like products, they're literally everywhere, and they have a really interesting range of products too. So I've always been very intrigued with their products, but I never tried it for myself. So I thought ki chalo theek hai, let's go for one of the most popular products. So I think this onion range is quite popular. I'm not very sure about it, but I was excited. I've used it twice only, so I can't really give you guys a full review, but my first impressions of both these products have actually been quite nice. They smell really good, and generally like एक onion shampoo or conditioner say like what are you going to expect? Like what kind of smell are you going to expect? You'll probably think that it won't have any crazy smell, but this one, for some reason, it smells like what is chameli called? Jasmine. It smells like chameli slash jasmine, and I just really like it. It makes my hair fragrant for at least like the first 30 minutes after using the shampoo conditioner, after which the smell dies down, which is great because I don't want my hair to like smell of something all the time. But it just smells really good first of all, and मैंने इसको 2 बार यूज़ किया है in like a gap of like 6 days, 7 days, and मुझे इतना hair fall इतना feel हो नहीं रहा. So I don't know if I'm doing something else which is right or if it's just this miraculous shampoo, but it's been nice so far. But of course I'm going to take my time with this and let you guys know in maybe 2 more weeks, because I think that's a good that's a good time frame to actually give you guys a review that would make sense, right? And that would be fair. So yeah, those are the first 2 hair products that I have. Moving on, we have this hairspray. Now I got a hairspray because I do a lot of videos. Yeah, this is an American brand and it is organic. So I was pretty excited to try it. Plus the packaging was like, I was really interested because hairsprays generally they come in these ugly big spray paint looking bottles, and this one was like very sleek. I am interested in this product. I can't really give you even a first impression. Honestly, एक बार use करने का क्या ही बताऊँ. But it does not have a funky smell, which is great. I hate hairspray की smell. And it sat on my hair pretty well. Of course, भारी कर देता है. हल्का सा वो आपको बाद में, like after hours and hours of having applied it and being done with it, you'll feel like your hair has become a little greasy. So I would suggest like going for like a full hair wash after you're done using it. So maybe plan your shampoo and hairspray days accordingly. But I don't know. एक बार के लिए तो सही लग रहा था, सारे sprays एक बार के लिए सही लगते हैं. So I'm going to try this out because I literally shoot every single day, and then I'm going to let you guys know. Okay, so yeah, this is it for the hair care department. Now एक और चीज़ जो मैंने इसके साथ लिया था, so I got the Mamaearth shampoo and conditioner from a pharmacy. मैं दवाई खरीद रही थी कुछ, and I saw it there, so I thought why not. I also got the Biotique Burberry plus Neem hand sanitizer. The reason I got this is 1, I had run out of my sanitizer, and 2, this was the only sanitizer that when I tried it, like they had a spare, so they made me try it. It did not have that bad smell. in it, the kind of smell that gives you a headache. So it's one of those sanitizers that like just does not smell funky or crazy, or at least the smell doesn't last. Like it does have a smell, it does have that smell, but वो बहुत कुछ seconds के बाद वो fade away हो जाता है, and उसके बाद कुछ feel नहीं होता, and then you know go for like new products. तो मेरे से एक such a stupid thing. So I got the reverse retinol serum, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty fantastic if you ask me. And then you open it up like a little bottle, and then you just open it up like a little bottle. No, you open it up like जो घड़ी के cases नहीं होते जो ऐसे ऐसे खोलते हैं. It's a lot of fun, and the packaging again is beautiful. Now the only problem is that it says on the packaging itself that this is for people who are 28 years and older. And I turned 24 this October, so this is not for me. This is probably too active for my skin right now, and when you have like younger skin, when you're younger, you don't need overactive products because your skin can take care of itself on its own like that, like without the need for using these kind of products, these super active products. So this is now going to go to my mother. I'm very upset because I was very excited, and I was really looking forward to using this and like really trying it out. But this is not going to work for me, so I'm going to try another serum from Dot & Key because I'm still very intrigued by their products. So that's the story of this one. The other thing that I got that I have just started using, it hasn't been enough, एक ही बार use किया in fact मैंने, which is the Dot & Key Underarm Color Correction Serum. So again, underarm color correction sounds very good. In some cases it sounds too good to be true, but Dot & Key, from what I've heard and from the videos I've seen, they seem to have really nice products that actually work. So I thought, why not give it a try? So first of all, the packaging is just like mind blowing. It's so cute. It's very cute. Again, this brand, I think they do like natural ingredients and they do clean stuff as much as they can. So I think this is a really nice brand. I am guessing. I mean, I've heard really good things about it, and I'm going with those reviews because I trust those people. This is a simple serum. You just open up the bottle, squeeze some in your fingers, and then you just apply it on your underarm. After having cleaned your underarm and like drying it, उसके बाद लगाना है. And this says for effective results, you have to use it morning and रात में for 2 weeks straight to actually see like visible results. Okay, so I did not buy this product. I got it free from the brand because मैंने ये Independence Day sale पे लिया था. So some brands had like discounts, the other had offers, and offers ऐसे थे where you will just like buy इतने रुपए का सामान from the brand and you get this free. So I think this is a full size product that they've given me, which is, oh yeah, it is, which is interesting. So this is a sanitizer and a moisturizer. Cute packaging, of course. Doesn't say anything much apart from that, but I'm looking forward to try this out actually. I really don't know what to say about it. मैंने अभी इसका packaging खोला है literally video के अंदर. So we'll see how this is. I have tried the underarm serum एक लगा के तो देख लिया है मैंने. अभी result तो एक दिन में तो obviously नहीं आएगा, but ठीक है, we'll try these. Okay, so this is also something that I really like about this brand. This one, I don't know if this product is made in India, but they do make their products in India as well. And this is a 100% vegan brand. They do really, again, another clean brand I think, and they do really good products. So I have been obsessed with the Plum Kajal. I have mentioned my real love for their green tea face mask, which is like for acne prone skin and helps clearing out your skin as well. So that is one product that I have been really liking, and I'm kind of seeing the results of it on my skin, but like it's still going to take a little bit more time to figure it out. Now I had run out of my moisturizers pretty much. I think I mentioned this. I did mention this in my. So I ran out of my moisturizers pretty much. I mentioned it in my skincare video. तो मैंने सोचा कि नया moisturizer लेते हैं, and I got the green tea range. I'm not like going for any other range. I'm sticking to the one that I have used. So मुझे face mask काफी interesting लगा था. So I have used this thrice already. Like I'm wearing this right now as well underneath my makeup, and makeup sits beautifully on this. My skin, I have only I think tried this under makeup so far. So once I try this like just for the day without any makeup, anything of that sort, tab I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about this. And so far so good. I have been liking it. So there's that. So this is the K Beauty HT Setting Loose Powder, and this is enriched with avocado and mango butter. Oh, okay, I don't know what that does, but okay. So this is the shade Vanilla. I didn't get the translucent like the white one because I thought वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही मतलब bright हो जाएगा. मतलब I don't know if I'm pretty sure it won't leave a cast, but I'd rather have something that's a little closer to my complexion. So this is what the packaging looks like. It was really interesting. So I used it today, and all the reviews that said that this product was good were right. You were not being scammed. This product is actually good. I purchased this with my own money. This was on 15% discount, I think. So I was happy about that. I got this with my own money. I tried it with today's makeup look, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but my base has turned out very smooth today. I have also another product that I put on my base that I will share again. Abhi, but I put on this powder, and there's one really fun thing about this thing. So इसका ढक्कन is like gold, and इसके अंदर एक cavity है that has this paper का cover on it. So अभी तो powder you can see because I used it today, but there's also this ढक्कन के ऊपर the stamp thing that holds the cavity. So what happens is that when you open the ढक्कन, the powder is not going to spill, which happens with a lot of setting powder. So I think that's a very smart like design idea, which is actually pretty useful. This is not going to like blast in your pores or spread when you open it. So far so good. Again, it's a very fine powder. It's matte. It does not have a sheen to it. I think they have like those sheen wala powders as well, but I don't like a shiny base. First impression pe I really like this. Let's see. Abhi to main shoot hi kar rahi hu. We'll see how this performs like when I have the makeup on for a longer period of time. There's a couple of products that I actually didn't purchase on Nykaa, which is these Suva Beauty Hydra Liners, but I have been talking about them on my Instagram. So I got 6 of them. I got this white one, I got the lilac, I got a neon orange, which I thought was a red, my problem. But neon orange liya, ek bahut sundar sa, there's a beautiful like sea green sort of a color, then sea green, sea blue sort of a color. Then there is a nice neon green, and there's a nice neon yellow. So these are Hydra liners, which means that you just have to put water. It gets activated with water. You put it on top of like your dhakkan. You take some product, you mix it with water, and then you just apply it, and it applies like paint on your face. So you can use it as an eyeliner. You can put it all over your lid. You can do a lot of things with this, and it just once it's on, it does not move. It's one of the nicest liners, pot liners that you can use, and it's not your regular pot liner. It only needs water and a brush, so you're really like you're good to go. This is slightly expensive because Suva is an international brand and they don't retail in India anywhere except for this one Instagram page which is called Let's Dollop. Dude, they're exactly like they perform exactly like they do in their like on their social media. So it's the exact same thing that you see online and you get. So I was very happy with it, but this was expensive. Like these pots, because they're imported and all, they're pretty expensive. So maybe buying like 6 at once will not be a very good idea. I create content, this is my job, so I always look at these things as investments, and also because I like colors. I think you can see that with my makeup look also today. But I genuinely enjoyed the Suva liner, so I was very happy that I got them, and it does not feel like I've wasted any money. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter. Now the Mega Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild, the powder one, it's fabulous. I used that for months and months when I was working at Popix. So I didn't buy it after that because I had a lot of highlighters, and I did not want to waste any product. I wanted to finish those off, and it's very difficult to finish off highlighters. Like You cannot. I have not tried a liquid highlighter in a long time. The first I tried was the Nykaa liquid highlighter. I liked that a lot, but then I switched to powder products. Now I'm back to using cream products. मेरा ना ऐसे mood बदलता रहता है मौसम के साथ. That's actually true. मेरा makeup mood और मेरा skin care mood बदलता रहता है weather और मौसम के साथ. तो अभी मैंने सोचा कि चलो let's try like under your base or like liquid cream products for just a nice happy change. तो ये मैंने ले लिया. I tried it on top of my powder today. I thought कि ये blend नहीं हुआ आसानी से on top of my powder. Like एक बार लगा लिया so it dried so quick that it was very difficult for me to blend it. So today like I put this on as the base and then I put on a highlighter on top of it. This is like the new highlighter that I will tell you guys about, but in a different video, so watch that as well please. But yeah, I think would work really well under your base. Like when you're doing your cream products, your foundation and stuff like that, I think अगर आप उसे तब लगा के set कर दोगे, then this will sit really beautifully. The next product from Wet n Wild is this Photo Focus Concealer. I think this is my third bottle of this concealer. Needless to say, I love this product. It's absolutely amazing. I have dry combination skin and concealers generally tend to dry out dry skin. You know what I mean, right? So this does not, like ये इतना matte है, it has beautiful coverage, it gives you beautiful coverage. It's one of the most affordable concealers out there and it's just one of the best. Now this is the shade Ivory. I think I picked up the shade number 1, which in retrospect is probably not the best decision because I kind of use my concealer to just conceal. I don't use it to highlight, but this is itna light कि it also conceals and highlights like my under eye and everything. So I have to be a little careful when I'm using it like here on the sides of my face. I have to be careful about that. तो इसको भी मैंने यही किया. I have tried this twice before, this shade, not the concealer. Concealer तो मैंने बहुत use किया है. This shade I tried out twice. एक बार I tried it on top of my foundation. I didn't like it. Then today when I was doing my makeup for this video, I tried this under my makeup and it just sat beautifully. It gave my foundation that perfect finish, like wherever I have like dark circles and any spots on my face that I want to cover. So me like it. So this is a lipstick from Wet n Wild. ये again it was on offer, it was Independence Day का sale है and मैंने 2 चीज़ें खरीदी थी. तो ये एक lipstick है. This is a red lipstick. I think I'll show you. I'll open it up and show it to you. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to open this up. I've used this lipstick in the past. It is really nice. It works really well and it's a beautiful red. So I'm going to save this lipstick. I'm going to save it and I'm going to put it in one of your giveaway bags. This is a new lipstick, so this one's going in someone's giveaway bag. And guys, remember there's a giveaway running. You can check out my last video for the details. It's in the video, the details, and the details are also in the caption. So the giveaway is open till Monday. So Monday ke video mein I will announce the winner. So you have time till then. So if you like interested in winning a gift hamper, please go participate. But this from this haul is now going there. Okay, so last के 2 products है मेरे पास. I try to not buy too many things now. I know these are also a lot of things, but मेरा job है और मेरा सामान खत्म हो गया है. So get it. These are 2 things and these are pretty much, this is a refill and this is just another type of brush that I'm buying from PAC. Now PAC Cosmetics has to be one of my favorite makeup brands ever. They've never sponsored a video for me. PAC, if you're listening, I am open to collaborations. But I think vouch for their makeup brushes all the time. Their makeup brushes are the ones that I use the most in my kit. Most of my eye brushes are from them. And this is the reason I actually purchased this makeup brush as well. I know I already have a lot, but जब आप videos बनाते हो ना, और when you do like a lot of colorful looks and if you have to do a lot of detailed like drawings on your face when you're doing that kind of makeup, you need precise brushes. So this is that brush. It's a very patla eyeliner brush. I think इससे अगर मैं, if I want to draw something, I'll get much cleaner lines and like smudging का थोड़ा दिक्कत कम होगा. And this would I think work beautifully well with the Suva liners. Another thing about the Suva liner, by the way, once you use this, like once you dip the brush in water, you mix it in this and you use it, you can just clean the brush with normal water and it will not like paint ब्रश पे रखे बहुत देर तक तो सुखा देता है ब्रश को और बहुत हार्ड कर देता है. This liner does not do that. It works like paint, but it's not paint. It's made for your face. It's made to be used as makeup, and it's much nicer. It just has a really bad smell. Okay, so my mom calls me the sniffer dog for this very reason. मेरे को कुछ भी सामान आता है ना, बुक्स स्पेशली, बट खाना, कपड़ा, बुक्स, मेकअप कुछ भी आता है ना, तो मेरा फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट इज टू ओपन इट अप एंड लाइक go sniff it, and that, my dears, is not the best idea because you sometimes tend to get products that don't necessarily smell very good. And ये आदत मैंने इतनी रिग्रेट करी है ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदते टाइम. सो if you're buying something new, probably don't smell it. Like, at least not the Sova liners, not worth it, trust me. Anyway, the last product of the haul, this is the PAC Lash Fixer, which is basically an eyelash glue, eyelash adhesive, and this is my 4th bottle of it. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I had purchased a couple of products, like कुछ refills मैंने कराए थे. So that is when I got this, and मैं Independence Day के सेल में इसको ढूंढ रही थी. That was out of stock and I was very upset कि अरे यार अब पता नहीं कब stock में आएगा. I have to buy this because ये ख़त्म होने वाला है and then I won't have any glue. But I realized कि मैंने इसको stock कर लिया था. उस टाइम भी एक ही बची थी तो मैंने वो एक मंगा ली थी, and I have never been more proud of having stocked up something that I desperately need all the time. And again, this week onwards, I'm going to be posting 3 videos a week. Yes, that is happening. I'm not kidding. So today's video, today is Thursday when you're seeing this video. So every Monday, every Thursday, like the usual, and then another video on every Saturday. And yeah, 3 days a week, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you like more videos from me as well. Let me know your thoughts on the products that I purchased. If you've used it, please let me know what your review is on it, and also let me know what are the products that you want me to review. So I am going to make a list of the things that you guys have been asking me to review for a while, and then I'm going to I'm going to buy it and try it out and review it for you guys as well. So please drop in your suggestions. Participate in the giveaway as well. All details in my last video, so hopefully check that out. It's my nighttime skincare routine. That was a lot of fun. That is it from me today. I'm gonna see you on Saturday next. Bye.